The kittens are sick. Let's treat them. Let's collect all the necessary things in the case and hurry up to the rescue. Tap the product that the kitten wants. Lemon. Good for you. Plum. That's exactly what we need. Pear. Good for you. Kiwi. That's exactly what we need. Apricot. Good for you. Banana. The sick kitten is waiting for you. Let's hurry up to help him. We are just in time. Good for you. He's got sore eyes. Let's help. First, let's check the blood pressure.
Purchase subscription and cure all the kittens.
Good for you. Now let's install the drops. Take the flashlight and check the kitten's sight. What is there in the picture? 2, 3, 1. Circle. 4. Square. Triangle. Let's make milkshake. Yum! This milkshake tastes so good. Good for you. You're very talented, doctor. Your reward is strawberries. Done it again. Tap the kitten who we will treat. The sick kitten is waiting for you. Let's hurry up to help him. Got a runny nose. Let's help him. Let's take the temperature first. Oh, the temperature is quite high. Wipe the kitten's nose with a handkerchief. This is an aspirator. It will help the kitten. Let's use the nasal drops. Let's make the super ointment for the kitten. Pear, kiwi, kiwi, apricot, banana, lemon, plum, now let's mix all the products. Put the ointment on the kitten's nose. You have helped your friend. You are a super doctor. Your reward is blueberries. You have done it again. Kitten is waiting for you. Let's hurry up to help him. The kitten has a fever. We need to help him immediately. Let's take the temperature first. Oh, the temperature is quite high. Let's wipe the kitten's face off. Catch as many ice cubes as you can. That's exactly what we need. Good for you. Good for you. That's exactly what we need. In order to bring down the fever, we need to apply a compress. It's time to make the vitamin tea. Let's do it. Give the tea to the kitten. The tea is so good. Very good. You are a great doctor. Your reward is cherry jam.